Hello and welcome to another episode of Colorful Finance. In this video we will explain to you what is web hosting affiliate marketing and how to make money from it. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thousands of website owners and bloggers have found a way to generate a passive source of income. The secrets behind this is marketing affiliate web hosting companies. One company alone paid $5 million worth in commissions to affiliates last year. When it comes to choosing the best web hosting affiliate programs, you should spend time looking at all the important points. That way you can make sure that you find a reliable service that pays an appropriate commission and is known for quality customer service. If you are an affiliate, then it's important to only recommend companies that you have experience with. It's very rare that a person who has never used a company before would go out of their way to recommend them. So if you want to make an impact as an affiliate, try your best to first use the company whose products or services you are promoting before recommending them. If you don't believe in the product and don't think it will help people, then you shouldn't promote it. If you're not sure if you can say something good about it and you can't tell whether or not it's any good for other people, then there's no use in mentioning it at all. If you promote inferior products to your audience, it reflects badly on you as an affiliate. Similarly, if you do not choose the right affiliate programs, it may mean that you earn less money from them. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing takes place when you recommend a third affiliated product on your site and the person who purchases goes through your link. When that happens, you'll make a commission. There are many ways of earning a passive income, and some may be more suitable for you than others. For instance, if you have an existing blog with a decent number of visitors or any other forms of traffic, then creating content will work well for you. If you're running a blog that focuses on web hosting, WordPress themes, blogging or any other digital marketing related topic, an affiliate program is your next step. Joining one will provide you with a potentially substantial passive income stream. Secondly, what is a web hosting affiliate program? Web hosting affiliate programs allow affiliates to receive rewards for referring other people to web hosting companies. Affiliate programs reward you for your involvement in the success of a business by providing you with free products or services. There are many web hosting organizations that run affiliate programs. Other web hosting affiliate programs offer cash rewards, and that creates teams of commission-only salespeople. With highly competitive industries like web hosting, affiliate marketing is a cost-effective solution. Most hosting companies are happy to give their affiliates as much freedom in how they market as possible. Being self-determined and innovative is key towards generating income with them. As the host of an event, you are not required to pay for advertising unless you get new sponsors. This means that there is no financial risk in using marketing tools like advertising. A lot of people associate marketing with being expensive. Casual affiliate marketing, however, is fairly simple and risk-free. This way pretty much anybody can get started quickly with no monetary investment required. The demand for websites that are available directly through personal fields like email is also on the rise lately. Word of mouth from friends and family can often lead to new customers. Many people also place referral links for the program on their own websites. In web hosting affiliate programs, these links can be powerful tools. Essentially, they act as testimonials. Affinity hosting is both a hosting service and an affiliate site. They do a great job of taking care of the sites they host and are happy to recommend them. Proactive affiliate marketers who want to take their participation to the next level can create pages or even entire websites dedicated to advertising the hosting company they are promoting. Most self-employed SEOs are looking to use affiliate marketing as a way to boost their income. These SEO sites is usually carefully phrased with the intent of bringing you traffic from search engines. Sometimes the reviews are mostly positive, and the website might also have strategic placement for referral links. Why is web hosting affiliate marketing lucrative? Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money. Many bloggers have done this by using referral links, in particular hosting affiliate programs, which pays the highest commission in the market. To make a huge commission, You just need to write one post about web hosting and attract the right audience. It's not easy though. A lot of bloggers live off the income they earn from blogging or using affiliate marketing to promote web hosting services. Most people only make very little money from affiliate programs. It's usually hard to compete for referrals, and only the top earners usually live off this form of income alone. Most people who are highly skilled use affiliate programs as one of their many sources of income. However, if you are happy with your web hosting service and already have a referral link you can use, we recommend also looking into their affiliate program. You might earn a commission if someone signs up or switches over to your host. Please remember that when recommending web hosts as an affiliate marketer, you need to do your research first so that you can be sure they will benefit your audience. Make sure the web hosts you recommend are ones that you're familiar with or have used before and found to be helpful. If you don't think that a web host is going to be of use to people, you should stop promoting it. But how does it work? There are several ways to promote a web hosting service on your blog, such as writing a review post and concluding with a link to the web hosting service. You can also implement smart banners on your website to promote the brand and make some extra money with affiliate programs. If you're using these on your site, then make sure to put them in the footer or header so they can be seen. If you are giving a discount code, do this when someone is signing up and they will see it. For each new customer you gain through your link to sign up for a hosting service, the company you work for will also get a commission. Commissions vary depending on which affiliate program you're with, but they generally range between $50 to $1,000. Who is it for? Bloggers who write about SEO, blogging and website creation are the main clients of web hosting affiliates. Even non-bloggers can become lucky and promote their preferred company. If you want to be more confident in your promotional message, start by building trust among your audience. Create content that resonates with experts and do research to learn more about your industry. After that, it's easy to direct them to the right web hosting services. For instance, you can include a footer which says hosted by X and drive traffic to the X website. If you are already familiar with affiliate marketing and also blog about these topics, then web hosting affiliate programs may interest you. So how does web hosting affiliate marketing work briefly? People looking to make a commission can earn money by referring visitors through banners or links on their website. When a visitor clicks on the banner/link and signs up, the person who referred them will get commission. What web hosting affiliate programs are the most popular? SiteGround, Bluehost, and HostGator are the top 3 affiliate programs that most affiliates choose to sign up with and promote. The commission split for Bluehost last year was huge. Conclusion: web hosting affiliate marketing is ideal for bloggers who put out regular content. The number of leads you can make varies depending on the SEO rank of your blog, which is why it's important to invest in high-quality content. What better way to do this than with an AI writing assistant? Choosing the best web hosting affiliate program for bloggers is not difficult. You may already be familiar with some of these popular services, and when choosing one, keep in mind all factors such as customer service and if they offer blogging tools to make your life easier. Furthermore, it is a way to make sure you keep your content looking legitimate. The concept of web hosting affiliate programs we discussed have been around for a long time, and the website hosting affiliate programs are giving bloggers a great opportunity to generate a higher passive income. Of course, the downside is that to succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to put on a lot of different hats and work at it constantly. That can be overwhelming. Working with big companies also puts a lot of stress on bloggers because they want their blog to grow and start making them some money. The first step in making money working online is to create a content. This can be anything from a website that writes about something you're passionate about to writing articles that teach people new skills. As long as what you're writing is original, the sky's the limit on the type of content you can produce and make money with. Then you can use the people that are passionate and admired by your content as a traffic source that will create a bridge of trust between you and your subscribers and fans. Remember, illegitimate content like selling them untrusted web hosting service providers just for commissions will destroy that bridge of trust you built with your audience. If you are a blogger and are looking to join a high-paying web hosting affiliate program, take the plunge and let us know which program worked best for you. If you enjoyed our content, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. In our next video, we will reveal to you what is the best website hosting companies and service providers you can register to as an affiliate. Stay tuned to our next video.